Hey everybody, just another service call video. On this particular setup, we have a non-electrified mortise integrated with a HES 1006. Customer said that the door was not locking. Upon investigation, what it ended up being was this dead latch was gunked up. It was stuck inside of the mortise. And because the 1006 controls the card access, someone badges in, the 1006 unlocks, person's able to gain access as long as they have the proper credentials. But that only works if this dead latch is seated inside of the 1006. So with it being stuck inside of here, of course there was nothing securing the door and anybody could just pull the door open. So sprayed some lubricant in there. The other thing that I noticed was that the door was not mechanically locked, so someone could just turn the handle to retract the dead latch, thus bypassing the card access part of the door. So that was another issue. So sometimes these service calls are real easy, short and sweet, and sometimes not so much. But this one was just the dead latch and the door being mechanically locked. That way the card access system controls who's coming into the building. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Thanks for watching.